Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I'm to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, guys, something very, very interesting is happening with Bitcoin, guys, on the weekly time frame. So, I'm here to give you an emergency update. So, to tell you, get ready to buy the dip, guys, and get ready to DCA. Based on my observation, guys, it appears Bitcoin is getting ready for the final drop, maybe even the 50% drop, guys, before we finally rally up. But present moment, we are about to test the final support again on the daily time frame, which is at 98. Based on what I'm seeing, guys, it seems like we are going to the 80K mark, the 70K mark, and even the 60K mark at support, guys. So the first drop, it appears, will be at 80, and if that support doesn't hold, we going all the way back to 60, guys, which is good news for us as the meme coin holders, guys, because this is what's gonna wake up the meme coins. As soon as the drop happens, that's when the meme coins will start mooning, will start rally. So for us, that's in the Visionary DeFi community that's been waiting for launch to launch our project at the right time. All we have to do is wait for the drop. As soon as the drop happens, and then there's gonna be a slight consolidation after the drop happens. Bitcoin's going to consolidate. The entire market's going to consolidate for um, about 24 hours to 72 hours, and then we're going to start everything going to start mooning, and the memes will wake up, the alts will wake up, and then this will commence the meme season and the alt season. But those who control the market, guys, they are very smart. Um, it's not them. They created algorithms, they created algos to trade the market for them. So these computers, these bots, they're very intelligent, guys. They can read your traders' plays before they even make them, guys. They can anticipate the trades, the position. So this drop is going to cause a lot of fear in the market, guys. So I want you guys to be aware of this. So when it's happening, you are not caught off guard. You understand what's happening. You are not fearful. You are just happy because everything's going to be on sale, guys. And you'll have a massive opportunity to DCA and buy the dip before the major the major rally begins. So we're going to see the fear and greed index at extreme high. Everyone's going to be fearful. Some people will leave the market. This is appear to be the final flush. It seems like history tends to repeat itself, guys. And as I mentioned before, everything happens in cycles, in patterns. So in the previous bull run, as I mentioned, Bitcoin dropped 40 to 50% in one day, and then it started rallying. At the same time, people just started buying. So that's what created the bull rally. So it seems like the same scenario is playing out here now. We're about to go for the final drop to 80K, 70K, even the 60K, guys. There's something to prepare for. So when everyone is fearful in the market, you are greedy. You are buying and loading up because you understand what's happening, guys. So like I said, look for the price points at 80K. As soon as they hit 80K, you can start DCAing, loading up, and also the 70K, 60Ks. But I don't believe it's gonna go down below 60K because we have a huge major support here at 60K, guys. So what I'm anticipating is 80K, 70Ks, and right above 60K, guys. So something to prepare for. Like I said, it can happen, but most like from what I'm seeing, based on my observation, it's an 80% chance we go in there, but there's also that 20% chance they can quickly reverse price back up at any moment, because those people, the market doesn't move normal anymore because it's heavily manipulated. So at any moment, those who control the markets, the market makers, they can easily change their minds. But I can only go by what I see in the charts, what I see happening, which is a final dip. But the thing is, we may just be going to retest the support, which is at 98K. And we'll see if that holds once we get there. But if it's not going to hold, you won't even see 90K. The drop is just going to happen very, very quickly in a matter of minutes. The same, the same drop that happened earlier, where you didn't see it happen. You just look at the charts and you see Bitcoin at 100K. It's the same thing that's about to happen, because if it's going to 80K, if they want to drop it to 80K, you won't see 98K. It's just gonna flash crash, just drop in a matter of minutes. So which is what I'm seeing, which is 80% chance of happening, guys. I don't think we're going to stop at, if we're dropping on the weekly time frame, we're not going to stop at 98K. But there's that 20% chance, just for you guys to be aware of what is happening. Like I said, this is why I say timing is key, guys. Launching a new project, because you only got one shot, guys. So that's why it's good for us to be patient and waiting for the right time to launch, because we want to have at least a 90% chance of success of any launch. So waiting for the right opportunity is key, because we see everyone launching coins, and what's the percentage of those coins being a success? Well, I'm sure you haven't heard about any coin that just launched, new launches that just pumped and then they just skyrocketed and everyone started talking about it. In the past 6 months to a year, probably none. I haven't heard any. So this is because people are launching in the wrong market, guys. They don't understand the market. They don't understand when to launch a coin. So they expect they're just gonna launch and then the coin's gonna moon. And it doesn't matter how much money you have for marketing, guys. The coin is bound by the market, guys. So like I said, there is a few supports here on the lower time frame, which is at 102 to still at the 100K areas. So we're going to test that first at 100K, and if that doesn't hold and we start to see Bitcoin breaking down to the lower hundreds, the 98Ks, then that's also another support as well. Then we can be sure that we are heading toward the 80K. But this is a retracement on the daily time frame. It's just testing support right now. So I'm just giving you my observation based on what I see. If that support doesn't hold at 100K, guys, then at the 98K, the 100K, then be expecting a big drop, and then you'll find everything on sale. But at any moment now, guys, we should be the memes should start waking up, the all should start waking up, and then we start launching. So patient is key, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.